Okay, so welcome to the aPrompt website admin area, and I'm going to show you how to add a templated layout. In this case, it's going to be a 3-column layout. So you click on the page you want to edit. No content in there at the moment. Just to so you can add content above or below your templated layout. Just put a couple of carriage returns and place your cursor in the middle. And this is where we're going to insert our template layout. So insert template, and in this case we're going to choose from the drop down menu of layouts a 3-column layout. This is what it would look like if you had 3 images, and if it was a responsive device, this is how it would show. So click OK, and then you've got your 3 columns of content. Now you can either overwrite the dummy content just by literally typing into the page, or you can copy and paste from, for instance, Word document. But make sure if you are pasting from an external site, you first choose Edit from the drop down menu, Paste as Text. This removes any unwanted formatting. Right, so I'm going to paste some content in the first column. So highlight all the text in the first column, but leave the first and last letter so your column keeps its formatting. There we go. And I'm going to paste some content. Now you can see the first and the last letter is still there, so you can just get rid of those now. Just backspace. And then I'm going to put some more content in the third column. So I'm copying some information from a Word document, highlighting the content, leaving the first and last letters so the column keeps its formatting. It's just an easier way of doing it, really. And then getting rid of the first and last letters. Now I'm going to put those as subheadings. So you highlight the words that you want as a subheading, choose from the paragraph drop down menu, heading 3. We can choose any headings, but heading 1 is already on the page here, so you don't want any more than one heading 1 per page. So we're just going to highlight the words, choose heading 3 for drop down menu, and the same for this one. I think I'm going to add an image in this column. So again, I'm going to get rid of everything but the first and last letters. Click Insert Edit Image to insert an image. Click the magnifying glass, and this takes you to the file manager. Choose an image. In this case, this image is 370 pixels wide. It's always best to make sure your images are the right size before you add them to the website. The smaller file image, the better. So you write an image description here, keyword rich if possible, and then click OK. So images in a 3-column is 370 pixels wide. If you're having 2 columns, your image needs to be 555 pixels wide, approximately. It's best to keep the right sizes though. Looks nice. Okay, so I've got rid of the first and last letters there, and there's our content. Now if you remember, I had put a carriage return above and below this column template. This is so you can add some information above or below this template if you wanted. Just for the examples of for this example, I'm going to add a bit of content at the beginning here, and a little bit of content at the bottom. So there we go, and click Save Changes to save your changes. I'll show you what that page looks like on the front end, and here we are. That's what it is. Okay.